And though it's time for more Science with Steffi. Here she is. Say hi, Steffi. All right, time to go, Stephs. Let's get you down gentle. Good job. All right, so we're going to talk about dissolving now, and we're going to talk about the rate of dissolving. What affects the rate of dissolving? What factors? In this cup, I have cold water, just came out of the fridge. And in this cup, we have some room temperature water. I'm going to put sugar, a nice heaping spoonful of sugar, into the cold water. Watch that dissolve. And a nice heaping spoonful of sugar into the warm water. And I'm going to start my timer. All right, let's see which one's dissolving faster. Can you see any difference in the color? Wow, let's look at the bottom of this cold one. Still has a lot of sugar on the bottom of it. Can you see the sugar down there on the bottom? And here, this warmer room temperature one is a lot more dissolved. We're going to stop our clock. 28, almost 29 seconds. And we're going to see that which one helped us dissolve the sugar faster? The warm water. Good job. All right, on to our second rate of dissolving factor is stirring. We're going to take 2 cups full of room temperature water. We're going to put no sugar in the first one and some sugar in the second one. Oh, I'm sorry, that's wrong. I'm going to put sugar in both of them, but I'm going to just let this one sit here, and this one I'm going to stir. And reset, start. Let's see what happens after about 30 seconds. I'm stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. This one's shaking a little bit because I'm stirring the table, but wow, pretty dramatic difference. I'm going to stop after almost 18 seconds. You can see that the one that I stirred is very, very clear. The sugar has definitely dissolved. And the one that I did not stir still has a lot of sugar on the bottom. Pretty cool. All right, and our last type of experiment we're going to do is, let's get my 2 more waters, room temperature water. And in one, I'm going to put a spoonful of sugar, and in the other, I'm going to put some sugar cubes. So I'll put 1 sugar cube and 1 pretty nice spoonful of sugar, hoping that's kind of about the same amount. So what we're testing here is surface area. Think about what kind of surface area do we have on this sugar cube, and then what kind of surface area are there on all of these tiny little surface cubes. Which one has more surface area? Popping that in and seeing which one dissolves faster. Let's reset and start. And we'll look at it after about 30 seconds again. So we're testing surface area as a factor in the rate of dissolving. And I'm not stirring. They're both room temperature water. So after about 30 seconds, very interesting, you can see the sugar cube. I'm going to stop. Did about 32 seconds. You can see the sugar cube is starting to break down and starting to look like the spoonful of sugar was when it first went in. But which one has dissolved faster? Definitely the spoonful of sugar. It had more surface area for the water to attack and get at the sugar and get it dissolved. Here, that sugar cube is just in a pile on the bottom, whereas this sugar is more dispersed in the water, more dissolved. Very good. See you next time on Science with Steffi.